We're now joined by the legend himself, Dr. David Dismuke, Forge's Chief Technical Officer. David, welcome and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
What makes AAV and gene therapy such a unique field compared to what it might have been 10 or 20 years ago?
Well, I think a lot of it comes down to the fact that there has been clear clinical benefit to patients who have been treated now to approved AAV-based gene therapies in the US. And because of that, we're on the precipice of a lot more. And so because there's a lot more opportunity to grow within a company like Forge or another company that is really getting started.
So scientists coming in wouldn't necessarily be stuck in the same position. They would have an opportunity to learn and experience different fields.
Yes, and what's I think unique about Forge, and have had this at other places as well, there's abilities to learn what you like and find that area that excites you. Yeah. The best employees are the ones who are excited about the work that they're doing.
In order to be the best at AAV manufacturing, we need to have the best people, the best talent. Tell us a little bit more about the type of people that we're trying to recruit here at Forge.
So the people that make the best workers within this environment are the ones who are hardworking, curious. They are looking to see what is next, and then always knowing that at the end of the line there's the patient.